Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we are going to do a small project out of some scrap material that I got. I got some angle and we're going to cut it up with a torch to make a little mounting bracket for some various C-clamps and whatnot. Show you what I got. Alright guys, let's go into the shop here. And this was an old safe that I just cut up for some scrap. I was considering using these for tabletops, but they're pretty well warped from the heat that used to be in the safe. They had another stove mounted inside of the safe for some sort of makeshift furnace type thing, but I got it tore apart, and I'm going to use these little pieces of angle here. I'm going to cut them off with the torch, and then I'll grind them down to get all the rust off of it, and drill a couple of holes. I'm thinking go ahead and mount it over here vertically, and then I can put some C-clamps on it and whatnot, but we'll get the torch set up, torch these off real quick, and drill some holes. I went by Harbor Freight yesterday and picked up some of these Pittsburgh C-clamps, see how long they last. I don't know, feels all right. See how long it takes before they start bending. But for $2, I couldn't beat it. You know. Anyway, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the oxygen. Do it pretty slow here. Always stand away. Just crack it until it comes open. And I'll go ahead and open her all the way up. Same thing with the settling. We'll just crack it a little bit. Yeah, I'm using a number 3 size tip, so I'm just going to put about 40 pounds, a little bit more than 40. And we'll probably do yeah, 5, 6, 7 pounds for that. 7 psi, I should say. Alright, as you can see, we got them cut out of there, and I'll just take a wire brush off my 7-inch Makita and just clean all the rust off, and probably just grind these down flat. Don't forget, always wear your safety goggles. Some sort of eye protection is absolutely necessary. Alright everybody, I got everything cleaned up basically the way I want it. I'm going to use these old lag bolts that I had from a different project. We'll go ahead and use those. And I'm going to be pretty unscientific about it. I'm just going to guess about, you know, where I want them. I'm thinking, you know, maybe around the 1-inch mark. And then again, around the 4-inch mark. See how soft these Pittsburgh tips are. Right there. 1 and 2. Huh. Well, it's holding up. Alright, so I'm going to just use this quarter cable drill press. See if we can get a hole going down in here. I'm really surprised that these bits are actually doing pretty well, and they're just, you know, Ace drill bits. That's all they are. You know, you expect them to break, and I've had these things for years, and they just keep going. Alright guys, let's just go ahead and get this thing put up here. We'll get one of the lag bolts going, and then we'll level it off here. Alright, so we'll take our handy dandy level and make it level. That's as level as she's gonna get. Alright, that's stronger than the wall is now. Alright, well there you have it guys. I'm going to put in these other lag bolts. Probably don't need them, that's pretty stout. But yeah, this is my way overkill spot to put my vice grips, I guess. When you just got spare material laying around, you might as well use it. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this little tiny project here of using scrap metal. Probably could have turned it in for a little bit more money, but hey, might as well put it to use. But pretty easy, simple project to keep me busy on a Sunday afternoon. So thanks for joining me, and hope you guys stick around. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the like button or subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of playing around in the shop. Take care.